After more than 11 years in this industry, I have built a business system that fixes the most common revenue problems technicians face. Today, I am launching the ROSASS Service Owner's Blueprint to High-Ticket Revenue. If you are a plasma fibroblast technician, salon owner, or clinic owner, you may be losing money. Not because of bad treatments, but because of a weak business system. Most technicians are trained how to perform plasma fibroblast treatments, but not how to secure bookings, price high-ticket services, protect their income, and grow professionally. We all know the pain. You don't feel confident charging your worth. Bookings are inconsistent. You lower your prices just to attract clients. Clients book, then cancel at the last minute, and you lose income. After treatment, the stress continues. You chase payments. You worry about complaints, pigmentation issues, and clients' expectations. You wonder if the client will come back. These are not technical problems. They are business structure problems. And that is exactly what this blueprint fixes. The solution is not another advanced course. The solution is implementing the correct business steps through a complete business system. I have taken everything I have learned over 11 years and simplified it into one clear step-by-step blueprint to high-ticket revenue. This system shows you how to structure your service correctly, attract the right clients, increase your pricing, and build long-term success with happy returning clients year after year. This blueprint walks you through 6 essential systems. First, how to build a strong professional portfolio. Second, how to position Plasma Fibroblast as a high-ticket service. Thirdly, how to onboard clients correctly and set expectations from day one. Fourth, the pricing ladder to move from practice to profit. Fifth, the soft sell rebooking system that creates loyal, returning clients. And sixth, the financial structure behind a 6-figure service model. This is the exact structure I use myself. It is ethical, professional, and built for long-term success. For a limited time, it is offered at a festive launch price of $59. The regular price is $97. Click the link in the description, download the blueprint, and start implementing the 15-step action plan today. Thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe, like, and share.
As jy 'n nuwe plasma fibroblast tegnikus is en jy begin nou net, daar's baie freebies op my kanaal wat jy gerus kan gratis gaan aflaai.
If these videos help you, please consider supporting the channel. Your contributions keep me going.